Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how a clinical form cannot be edited once it is open on a different screen. Clinical notes can no longer be edited from the clinical history screen if the original workflow event is still open. This reduces the chances of notes being accidentally overwritten. However, changes can still be made to that original clinical document on the clinical case screen. For the purpose of this video, we'll be starting on the clinical case screen. Add the clinical form that you would like to use. In this case, we will be using the Quick Notes form. If you are busy making necessary notes and need to access any previous clinical notes, navigate to the clinical history screen. The clinical history screen will open with all of the previously open clinical forms listed. The email, download, and edit buttons will be grayed out since the original clinical document is still open. However, these buttons will only be grayed out for the current day and will become available again on the following day. For more information regarding the clinical history screen, please refer to the clinical history screen navigation use user manual linked in this video's description.